Hey guys, welcome back. What we're working on today is it's a Weed Eater brand 17-inch rear tine tiller. It's got the 5-horse, I think, Briggs on it. Actually belongs to my brother-in-law, and I'm pretty sure the last time it ran was when I borrowed it like 3 years ago. I think we had to work on it then to get it going, but got it running. It ran good. I put some Sta-Bil in it last time I had it because, you know, just in case it didn't get used, but I don't think he's messed with it. The only thing I've done so far is check the oil and look at the gas. Let me get a light here. Hang on, let me get my light. Inside the tank, I don't know how well that's showing up, but it doesn't look like gas at all. It looks like some nasty chocolate milk. So, oh, and another issue, when I went to borrow it this time, I think he tried to see if he could get it running for me, and he broke off the pull start. So we got to start there. I'm pretty sure it'll run. We're gonna have to freshen it up and maybe go through the carb on it, but I feel like it'll run. So where I'm gonna start is with the pull start. I'm gonna take it off and see if I can re-spool it. If not, we'll figure it out. But anyway, let me get set up and we'll see what we can get done. Alright guys, so what I've done, I just re-spooled it to get tension on it, and I stuck a screwdriver in here to kind of hold it. What I like to do is take the new pull cord and just heat it up on the end, and all that does is basically just melts it a little bit, and it'll keep it firm so you can thread it back through a little easier. But that's going to be hard to get lined up where you can still see it, but see, it'll feed right through. So stick my screwdriver back through. Basically just tie some knot on the end to hold it on this side. See how much tension we got, or if we need to readjust it, or so it actually, yeah, we got enough tension to pull it all the way back through, so that's perfect. So let's pull it back out. And now we can work on our handle. I've already got the center part pulled out, so do the same thing on this end. Grab a pick so we can pull it through there. Same thing. I have horrible luck with these things, so I don't know. Hopefully it'll work. Alright, there we go. First problem solved. Alright, let me get this back on and get you set back up and we'll go from there. So I changed my mind. I think I'm going to leave it off for the time being. We need to get this tank and carb off. I was going to try to spin it over and see what it would do, but the way that gas looks in there, I don't want to run that, so. Filter's not too bad at all. Alright, so I want to get this off, and then we should be able to get to the tank and the carb. I was ill prepared, so let me get the necessary tools and bring you back. So I want to try something first before I tear everything apart. Like I said, I remember that I put Sta-Bil in it. As bad as the gas looks, I did go in and I pumped as much of the gas out as I could, but I just want to see. Make sure we got spark before we. That looks bad. Show you what we got here. How well you can see it. It's not too bad. It's just, you know, it's not fresh either. Anyway, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we got good spark. Okay. I want to throw some fresh gas in it and just see what happens. Guys, yeah, it looks much better. Alright, so let's get you backed up here. Go to Polar 2 and see what she does. Alright, that went way smoother than I thought it was going to. Let me get the air cleaner put back on it, get it down off the lift, make sure it rolls and moves and spins and does all the good stuff. But alright, I'll bring you back in a minute. Alright, let's see what she'll do. Alright, so I mean, it's not running perfect, but considering it's been sitting there untouched for 3 years, I think that's pretty good. I didn't touch the carburetor. The air filter looked good. All I really did was drain the old gas out, and I'll be honest with you, the first time that I ever used Sta-Bil ever on anything was this tiller. Figured I'd give it a shot. You know, it's been around for years, and you hear how great it is, but I'd never tried it, so I thought I'd try it in this. And man, I don't know what other explanation there is than, you know, that made the difference, because I don't have another piece of equipment sitting around here that I could ignore for 3 years and go out and crank like that. So anyway, it's a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be. Sorry about that, but I figured we were going to have to go all in it and tear the carb apart and all that good stuff. But it'll run like that, I think, and once I get some, you know, fresh gas running through it and flush and running for a few minutes, I think it'll probably just level out. But anyway, kind of happy, kind of sad. Thought we were going to have to get into it, but it's nice to fix one without having to tear a carb apart. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you got something out of it, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys. I got yelled at in another video because I didn't clean the machine up, so here we go. Yep, brand new again. See you on the next one, guys.